My name is John Papp. I'm an interventional cardiologist at UP Health System. Well, I was always interested in the life sciences. Even as a kid, my parents bought me a little microscope when I was in grade school, and I used to go to the ponds and look at critters and look at things. And medicine's obviously a subspecialty of the biological sciences, and it was kind of a natural fit for me. Interventional cardiology has a lot of appeal because when I trained, we had limited ability to alter the course of a lot of the things that we routinely treat now. For example, when I first started cardiology fellowship, we didn't even do balloon angioplasty. With the advent of interventional cardiology, all that changed, and then it's progressed in technology so that we have the options of opening up vessels that previously would have been unheard of. It's a very exciting field. It's very gratifying when you make a difference in the course of someone's life in that way. Well, it is a unique environment. You've got sophisticated technology in the middle of, God's country up here, and we don't have to go to multiple hospitals like many people do in big cities. And then the hospital has provided us with state-of-the-art equipment, and so there's a lot of unique opportunities that are related specifically to having a sophisticated hospital in a small town and in a part of the state like this. A lot of the people I take care of are actually my friends. I bump into them all over the place, and I think that there's a prevailing theme that it's a little more personal here than it is in bigger cities where people run through and you'll never see them again. I think in the UP, you know that if you're going to take care of somebody, you'll probably bump into them someday. And I like to think a lot of the people I take care of as friends in addition to patients. Well, when I was a kid, we used to, every summer we'd work, but the last 2 weeks we'd take a vacation, and I went backpacking in the Rockies and other spots. But when I entered medical school, we didn't have enough time to make that trip, and I was looking around on a map, and I thought, I bet we could go up to the UP. And when I decided to go into practice, I remembered in fact, catching a big steelhead in the river that came out of Beaver Lake, and I thought, I wonder what's going on in the UP. I love the outdoors. It's one of the things I love about the UP.